Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Google Pay is updated, you're logged in, and your Flipkart gift card code is accessible. Open Google Pay and go to the Payments or Passes section to redeem a code. This saves time. Once done, choose the method labeled Add Gift Card or Voucher and paste the Flipkart code, because Google Pay needs the exact string to tokenize it. Make sure your UPI and bank link are active so any balance gaps settle automatically. Once the code is entered, you let Google Pay verify it. This step converts the gift code into a usable token. If prompted, select the option to use on Flipkart or generate a payment token. This bridges Google Pay with Flipkart checkout. You then confirm the amount and choose whether to store it as a pass or send it to Flipkart immediately, because stored tokens speed future checkouts. Make sure the payment notification shows the exact rupee amount before proceeding. To finish, go to Flipkart, add items, and choose Google Pay during checkout. The platform should list the redeemed gift amount as a payment option. If the cart exceeds the gift value, Google Pay prompts split payment, confirm using UPI or card. If the token does not appear, first re-verify the code in Google Pay, then clear app cache and retry, because temporary data can block tokens. If still failing, contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.